Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Clearscope for content brief generation step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process for Clearscope, open your web browser and navigate. Once on the home page, locate the login button and click on it. Enter your email address and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up option and follow the prompts to create a new account. After logging in, you will be directed to the Clearscope dashboard. Look for the settings gear icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, find the integrations or API section. Here, you will see the option to authenticate your Clearscope account. Click on the authentication link to generate an API key. If prompted, confirm your identity by following the security verification steps. Once the API key is generated, copy the key to your clipboard. Now, open the application or tool where you want to integrate Clearscope. Locate the settings or integrations section in that application. Paste the Clearscope API key into the relevant field. After entering the key, look for a button to save or authenticate the integration. Click that button to complete the authentication process. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that the integration is successful. Finally, return to the Clearscope dashboard to confirm that the content brief generation feature is active. Now you can start using Clearscope for your content brief generation needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.